So, hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we have an interactive session with Rahil Hussain, and he's currently studying final year in BTech, and he is continuously maintaining his stock portfolio along with his studies. So we'll learn some things about stock market from him. Hi Rahil, how are you?
Yeah, hi Fanindra Bhaiya. How are you?
Yeah, great. It's a great time to be. And I have a few questions to ask you. So first is like, why did you start doing trading? Because the first question, yeah.
Yeah. When I'm in second year, like almost completing my second year, pandemic has arrived and all the colleges were closed. So when I came to house, I was like, okay, I'm doing my studies. Along with that, I just wanted to do something else. And then I just got listen about all the start market boom that can happen after a dip. So this happened almost every time when the dip happens, like some great crashes in 2008, some 1900. So after every crash, there will be a U-shaped recovery or V-shaped recovery in the stock markets. And most of my families and friends have told me that this could be a very good opportunity to jump right in. So that's where I started to think of stock market.
That is great. So and the second question is why did you choose stock market? Because there are so many other options. So why stock marketing?
Yeah, for basically a student like me who wants to balance both the studies and as I'm a third year student, I should take care of my placement season or internship season also. So in order to maintain all this stuff, there could be something, and also I should not let out of me. I'm like I should not get out of my house. As a pandemic happens, we should stay in our homes only. So I need to stay in home. I should balance my studies and I should prepare for placements also. So only thing that is possible, I mean, that fits into this situation is the stock market. That's where stock market is the place that comes first in my mind.
Okay, that's great answer. Like the next question is more important. So how can a student like you, like student like anyone, can balance both stock market and studies? Because some people doesn't even know what stock market is. So yeah.
Yeah, basically, you know what? Most of the people will just chill their lives and by chatting, murmuring, and all the stupid stuff. They can't really, focus on the development of their lives. Mostly they'll chit chat. Okay, that's important also for healthy well-being. Along with that, you need to hang out with some friends who really focus on personal development. Basically, I'm in such a kind of a circle where fortunate to be in such a kind of circle that my friends and seniors who are already doing trading. So that's where I think stock market should be that should be our first option. And yeah, I mean that's the thing. That's it. అన్న ఇది ఇక్కడ కట్ చేసి మనం
So I want to ask a question like how students can balance both stock market and stock market and classes.
Okay. See, basically, stock market, most of the people think stock market is a thing that you should do daily and you need to watch the screens every time and you need to be quick in reaction. This is not true. And basically, if you do trading, there are 95% chances that you will lose your money. So in order to increase your chances, you should be you should shift your focus to long term. For example, uh, in a day you'll get maximum change of around 3 to 4% of capital. Only that too if your time runs good. But when you think long term, it can even change. You can gain even 20, 30. Some kind of sky is the limit. For example, there is a stock called Happiest Minds. Okay, that I bought in August and I'm seeing the same stock now. It gave me around 80% returns. So think of at least 2 to 3 months. Just check the fundamentals. Just churn the YouTube videos, Rachna Ranade, CA, and there are so many YouTube lectures. Just go through them and just see the fundamentals and see the news around some stocks that you're favorite of, and pick one and put some money and focus on your studies. And after 2 to 3 months, just see your stock portfolio. And that's the thing. That's it. So you can manage it beautifully and without any hassle.
That's great. And another final question I want to ask you is it possible for a student to have 6-figure incomes in stocks? Like it's like
Of course. Yeah, of course. Because and the live example that's it before you. See, I've just mentioned mentioned about Happiest Minds. Okay, it got me around 80% returns within 2 months. So there are, when you see in the dip in 2020, in that March or April time, just you can put your money in any stock, be it a Reliance, be it an HDFC, be it Indian Energy Exchange or anything, you name it. You just put the money, it will give you around, whopping multi-bagger returns, something around 200 to 300 returns, okay? 300% returns. So that's a golden opportunity. That's what I'm saying. If you have started trading or stock market, maintaining a portfolio from that dip, you would have around, maybe around 400 to 500% returns. That's around 5 times of your money.
That's great. Okay. Thank you, Rahul.
Yeah, thanks.